a very, very important segment in the evening today. Lifetime Achievement Award. Behind every successful institution, there is a pillar of strength. From being a homemaker to a founding partner, our Lifetime Achiever has played a key role in making JNM a household name in the field of homeopathic medicine. Daughter of Hirendranath and Madhavi Sen, our Lifetime Achiever, Krishna Majumdar, grew up in an intellectual and loving home. Her father was the head of chemistry department at Ashutosh College, Kolkata. Krishna married Procheta Majumdar and was a homemaker till 2001. Since then, she has served as a founding partner in JNM Homeo Southern in Kolkata. JNM Homeo Southern is a premier institution for superior quality homeopathic medicines in Eastern India with retail and wholesale business. Krishna plays a pivotal role in the organization, handling ground-level day-to-day operations. With diligence and determination, our Lifetime Awardee, Krishna Majumdar, continues to contribute to the healthcare industry, proving success has no age limit. Ladies and gentlemen, the Lifetime Awardee, Krishna Majumdar, the woman behind JNM. Madam, please. Okay, to just, ekhane jodi ana jay. A fascinating journey. JNM ke ajke ghore ghore পৌঁছে দেবার পেছনে যে মহিলার অক্লান্ত পরিশ্রম। কৃষ্ণা মজুমদার আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি স্ক্রিনেও লাইফ টাইম অ্যাচিভমেন্ট। আমরা ম্যাডামের কাছ থেকে জানতে চাইব যে এই যে যাত্রাপথ, এর থেকে আপনার কি উপলব্ধি? আপনার একটু দর্শকের দিকে যদি বলেন। হ্যাঁ, ওটা অন আছে, একটু হ্যাঁ একটু মুখের কাছে নিয়ে যান। হ্যাঁ,
উপলব্ধি বলতে প্রথমেই বলি আমার ফাদার ইন ল যার নামে JNM, he was more known to JNM, মানে ওর নাম ছিল জ্ঞানেন্দ্রনাথ মজুমদার।
ওখান থেকে JNM। ওকে,
এখন সেটা আমি যে এরকম একটা জিনিস কোর্টের সঙ্গে যুক্ত থাকবো এটা সত্যি ভাবিনি, এবং আই স্টার্টেড রাদার লেট অ্যাজ ইউ সেড। অ্যান্ড যখন আমরা ছিলাম বম্বেতে, সেখান থেকে যখন when we came back to কলকাতা, অ্যান্ড এই হঠাৎ করেই আমার হাজব্যান্ড he sort of started this idea of opening an homeopathic clinic which will serve genuine homeopathic medicine. Frankly speaking, we had no knowledge, we had no experience, nothing. Kintu khub inspired hoyechilam because I had the opportunity to sit with my father-in-law for a few months or perhaps for a year. And sorry, Ami.
আপনাকে কি চেয়ার দি, এই চেয়ার দাও, এটা চেয়ার দাও না। হ্যাঁ, প্রতীক, can you just stand? Absolutely. We have Madam's son Pratik also here. Yeah, বসুন, বসে বলুন, আপনি বসে বলুন।
So what else?
মাইকটা একটু কাছে দিন।
তো তখন আমি কিছুদিন for a few months perhaps I sort of sat with him, and that was an experience of, the experience which I had. I can never forget that. That before that I really had no clue about homeopathic medicine, homeopathic treatment, nothing like that. কিন্তু তারপরে কি হলো, তারপর তো he of course he passed at in the year 1978, I think 78. So after many years we came back to Kolkata, and then we wanted to start something in his name. So then this JNM started. In the beginning, like all other business, all other ventures, it had its ups and downs and everything. The initial work was done by my sister-in-law, who is no more. Actually, she would have been very happy today. Very, very happy. She did a lot of groundwork. And then my sister, who is a doctor herself, she introduced us to many homeopaths of that time, quite renowned ones, and persuaded them to have faith in us, have trust in us, to take medicines from us. And slowly, they saw that, we are serious about it and we are trying to give genuine medicine. So that's how it happened. Then my son came and he took over the business. Now, those days I used to really work hard. I used to do everything, from packing the medicines, from, talking to the customers, and everything. But then what happened, my age and my certain physical disability, I could not work really very much. Nowadays I go there and I sort of really enjoy. I like to meet people. I gain lot of experiences, lot of learning. I learn so much. Every day I learn something. Whether it is some mistake or some good work or handling some very difficult customers, very difficult patients. But it is a process of learning, I think. I still learn.
Fantastic journey Mrs. Mojumdar has had. একবার কি আমরা দাঁড়িয়ে ওনাকে একটা হাততালি দিই? She really deserves a standing ovation, a lady who has led from the front, who still learns, and she interacts with the clients with a smile. And the legacy of her father-in-law lives on in her and the son. Pratik, can you join mother, please? Pratik, who is now looking after J&M brand. So mother, son, father's here. Baba এসছেন? হ্যাঁ তো বাবাকে একটু দেখান স্যার আপনি না স্যার প্লিজ কাম উই উড লাইক টু হ্যাভ আ ফ্যামিলি ফটোগ্রাফ অ্যান্ড অলসো হ্যাঁ প্লিজ তো আসুন না ছবি তুলতে কি ইঞ্জিনিয়ারদের কোনো আছে নাকি
আমি ইনফ্যাক্ট সেটাই বলতে
you please call your wife also
বিন্দিয়া
a daughter also so we would like to have a photograph of the entire family a family business sure
I learned, when I said I learned so much. I'm still learning.
Absolutely.
I learned maximum from my granddaughter.
oh lovely like Pullora said she learns from her daughter
Yes.
so another lady learning from her granddaughter fantastic please come for a photograph come okay
this is almost like hum saath saath hai. It's becoming a family affair. Kintu I just wanted to say one thing. I'm overwhelmed being here and seeing so many achievers and so many.
আপনারা বসে পড়ুন প্লিজ বসে পড়ুন
It's very humbling and overwhelming at the same time. এতজন আপনারা এসছেন এবং যা যা করেছেন আমরা যা দেখছি it's extremely humbling. কিন্তু আমার মার কথা আমি একটাই জিনিস বলবো যে আমি যেভাবে বড় হয়েছি আমার যা কিছু পাওয়া সবই আমার মার শিক্ষা. So, my mother as a homemaker has had such an important role to play till 2001. Tarpore for someone who had never stepped out to do anything business related or professional work professional work related, to build up J&M Homeo Sadan to where it is today. I think I'm really truly honored to be her son. And একজন আপনারা কেউ প্রথমে বলেছিলেন the support of the husband, and I think behind every successful woman there is a husband behind her, and my father has been that supportive husband. He has planned and done and been behind my mother in every step of building up J&M to where it is today. So I think his contribution in today's evening and my mother's felicitation cannot be sort of ignored.
Such a lovely family. A big hand again for this beautiful family. Sir wants to say something. Yes, sir.
Yes, I just want to add a small little thing. We've been together for 60 years.
60 years of companionship, partnership. Fantastic.
We started it when she had crossed 50. Before that, she was only a strict wife and a very strong homemaker. And I was all the time out of the house. We used to live in Bombay most of our life. Most of our life we used to be in Bombay, and she and I, we had very different kind of life actually. But from 2001 onward, she amazed me with her capability.
Wonderfully, she amazed me. Just see the words. Fantastic.
She's nearly 77 now, and that's, I'm not supposed, they're saying I'm not supposed to tell her age, but
ইন্টারন্যাশনাল উমেন্স ডে ইভে এরকম একটা প্রেমের কাহিনী আমরা কি ভাবতে পারি? আরেকবার জোরে হাততালি হোক। লাভলি।
অ্যাকচুয়ালি উনি লার্নিং এর কথা বললেন, আমি অভিষেক আপনাকে বলতে পারি, আমি কর্পোরেট ওয়ার্ল্ডে অনেক জায়গায় আমি থেকেছি, বাট আই হ্যাভ লার্নড আ লট ফ্রম দিস লেডি। থ্যাংক ইউ।
Fantastic. That's it. That's what companionship is. The family can go, but the felicitation is still there. So can we have? Thank you, sir. না ম্যাডাম বসুন বা ম্যাডাম যদি দাঁড়াতে পারেন ভালো ছবি। হ্যাঁ, ওকে। Payal and Samita for the lifetime achievement felicitation to Krishna Mojumdar. Can we have the music, please? Krishna Mojumdar, the woman whose life turned in 2001 and the inspiration behind J&M Healthcare, the brand which has made waves in homeopathic medicine. Thank you so much, Mrs. Mojumdar. Thank you. এভাবেই আমাদের সবাইকে অনুপ্রেরণা দিতে থাকুন। নমস্কার। Thank you. হ্যাঁ, Payal, just help her. Yeah.